Ever watched a drone zip through the sky and wondered, how does that thing even work? Don't worry, we're breaking it down so you can soar with knowledge in just 3 minutes. Drones are flying robots that can be controlled remotely or programmed to fly on their own. They're made up of key components like propellers, motors, a battery, and a controller. Together, these parts make flying look effortless. So how does a drone defy gravity? It's all about lift. The spinning propellers push air down, creating an upward force that keeps the drone in the air. Sensors like gyroscopes and accelerometers help the drone stay balanced, even in windy conditions. You control a drone using a remote controller or even a smartphone. The joysticks tell the drone to move up, down, forward, or sideways. Some drones even have cameras, letting you see exactly what they see in real time, like having bird vision. Modern drones are packed with cool tech. GPS helps them know their exact location and even return home with the press of a button. Some drones can follow you automatically or avoid obstacles using sensors. Talk about smart flying. Drones aren't just for fun. They're game changers in many industries. They film epic movie scenes, deliver packages, help farmers, and even race at incredible speeds. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're flying for fun or exploring new tech, drones are an incredible mix of science and engineering. So the next time you see one buzzing by, you'll know exactly how it works. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos.